Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. This is day 10 of our challenge, and we are doing I'm not really sure what everybody calls them, but it is a lit box, looks like a present, and it has lights inside. I decided to use some of these wood coffee stirs to make the actual frame to hold the lights. I'm not sure what they call them. I think it's called a present with lights. I hope. I am trying to make this challenge as simple as possible so anybody can do it. I got the lights from Halloween at the Dollar Tree, and the paint stir sticks at Kroger's, and the hot glue gun. My husband got it for me for an early present before Christmas. So I'm going to start working on this frame. I hope it's structurally sound because there's going to be a lot of weight inside of it. Can't wait to see what this finally looks like. I'm so nervous. That's all I gotta say. I'm extremely nervous, and today has been one of those days you will see at the end. All right, my SD card got really full, so it deleted the whole thing I was doing. So I built up the sides to make my box, did a cross member on the top for more support, and also added some of the Jenga blocks in the bottom to hold this up. Okay, so that way when you're underneath it you can turn it on. Well, it's not secure yet, so you would turn it on like that, and all of these are going to be on the inside wrapped around this. Before I go any further, I want to paint all of the structure silver, and I'm going to paint, or I'm not going to paint, but I'm going to wrap this up in silver paper as well to be a reflector. So I'm going to turn it off. Got my beautiful silver wrapping paper. I got my tape. So I'm going to wrap it just so that way it covers the box. Not the bottom part, because I want to be able to see the little on and off switch. So we're going to do that. I need another hand. That's for sure. Doesn't have to be pretty because no one's going to ever see this except for me and you. And all of YouTube, of course. So that is done. So now this will go in here like this. Okay. And in that way, when the lights are on, it will reflect. I'm also going to probably glue this into space like that after I get done painting it. But right now we're going to get on to painting, and we're going to paint this whole entire thing silver. So let me go get my paint and I'll be right back. So because I'm out of metallic silver paint, I'm going to paint it all steel from the Waverly paint. You see I got it on sale. Then I'm going to go over it with this dragon glaze, which is going to give it an iridescent look. Okay, so let me get started on painting. 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. The host of this challenge is Jackie from Mimi's World. and Melissa at Melissa DIY. So, somehow I lost a lot of footage. So, I wrapped the ribbon and tucking one end down, wrapped it all the way around into the other side. Then I did it this way, all the way around into the other side, just so that I could leave this opening right here for turning on the switch. So then I made this beautiful bow using all of my tulle ribbon. Just sort of, you know, complement it. Unfortunately, that video went away too. So I did like 5 loops and left tails. I feel so bad that I lost some really great footage, but there's really nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. I really enjoyed and loved doing this project. Very, very, very much a lot of fun. So you got the skeleton of it, and what I did, I used 3.5 inch ribbon to go around the outside of it to close it in. And it looks beautiful. And I'm very excited and very happy to put this on my Christmas tree this year. This will be my first lit ornament that came from a window, sort of like box system. I've seen a lot of people make big ones, so I wanted to make a little one, just so that way I could see if I could do it. And I did it. And I used Halloween lights, which I didn't know what I was going to do with them after Halloween, but I do love purple, and I had some purple ribbon, so I figured that's what I'll do with it. Other than that, I think it was a great DIY. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of footage all because of my SIM card. I'm going to go and get a new SIM card today, or I'm going to see if we have another SIM card around the house. That one just got too full and dumped all of my footage. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I also want to thank everybody for watching my video, and please look at the playlist because there's lots more to view. Thank you. 12 days. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,